You ever wonder why some of your Instagram posts do really, really well and then some of them bomb and you're like ready to give up? Maybe they reach like, I don't know, a 1/10 of your audience. This past week, Adam Mosseri actually released a blog post that explains everything you need to know about the algorithms and ranking. First things first, there is not a single algorithm. So whenever you're like, "Wait, the algorithm changed," nah. Okay, there's literally multiple algorithms. Basically, each feature on Instagram actually has its own algorithm that you can blame, okay? So for your actually Instagram feed, this is the kind of things that Instagram actually considers here. They're going to look at the recent posts shared by the people that you follow and what they think that you would be interested in. They'll notice if you prefer photos over videos, and then they're going to show you more photos or vice versa. And you can see down below, those are the things that they actually take into consideration to curate your feed. Instagram Stories has its own separate algorithm, and it really looks at your viewing history, your engagement history, and the closeness with the person that you're actually talking to. And this is why I say that replying to stories or having conversations in the DMs is going to really help not only like physically build the relationship with the people, but also to the algorithm as well. Your Explore page has another totally separate algorithm. They really are going to look at your past activity to see what you're most interested in. They look at information from the post, your activity in Explore, your history of interacting with the person who posted that content, and information about the person who posted. And let me move myself so you can read down there. I'm sure this is the one that a lot of you are really concerned about because I feel like this is the most frustrating one. This Instagram Reels algorithm is really designed to help you discover new things and puts an emphasis on entertainment, which for anyone like me who I'm not here to be entertaining, I'm here to be more educational or valuable. That really sucks. They're mainly going to be looking at your activity, your history with interacting with the person who posted it, information about the reel, and information about the person who posted the reel, which this one actually I think is like interesting. Popularity signals like number of followers or level of engagement. So does this mean like more followers and more engagement that you have, the more your video is going to be shown? Yes. But what about the rest of us who are out here struggling? That's a little frustrating. So basically how you can kind of influence what you see when it comes to all of your different places on Instagram is this list. This is what they've listed.